Yo, what is up, you guys? Today we're doing a massive, well, not massive, medium-sized pack. These pro packs are helping me warm up for the trending pack. Oh! Yo! 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 Yo, that's crazy. That's fake. That's fake. That's fake. There's no way. Bruh. Oh my. Yo! Yo! I opened 2 of these earlier. Because it was gonna give me stamina and I was gonna grind out the new campaign, but it wouldn't load for me. Okay, I'm making some money. I'm making money, you know. We spent about 125,000 for these pro packs, so. Okay, 87 LeBron, that sells for probably 50K. Now let's get into the street or bust. Kevin Love. Now, the pack you guys been waiting for. I'ma look away. Oh my. 93 Jeff Teague. Hey, we did pull 99 Aldridge, so. Wait a minute, that's power forward. He's on the bench. He's on the bench. Well, I'm gonna sell him. And we're gonna be doing a gameplay for Kristaps Porzingis. Because I got him yesterday, but we're gonna be doing a gameplay on him. But I'm gonna sell this 99 power forward. Because, I don't need it. See, I'll update my team right now. That doesn't do anything. It's still at 99 overall. So, we're selling him 99 Aldridge out of a pro pack. Yo, that's some insane luck. 99 Aldridge. Oh my, I put an 8. Aldridge. Okay, 300,000, okay. Okay, he's going for about 300K. I mean, there's no, bids or anything. But he has the +2 dribble to team. You know, I'm selling for 2. Nah, what do I do? Should I let it bid out? No, I'm gonna post him for 200. And then buy now, 300. That's probably kind of cheap though. It's whatever. It's whatever. But I was hoping we were gonna pull a trending token. Oh, we already got the Corey. It's not that special. Because I have 11. 11. I need 1. And then I'm done. Is there any other packs I can open? And it kicked me off. Oh, that's fine. It disconnected me from the Wi-Fi. But that's whatever. If you guys enjoyed, make sure you like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, make sure you turn on post notifications, which is that bell. If you click it and I click yes, you'll be notified when I upload. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.